Hello guys, today I will show you how to download a free video converter. This is totally free. You don't want to pay any single penny for purchase or subscribe this video converter. This is totally free and you can convert any kind of video format to different formats. So let's go guys. This is very simple. You can go to Google, type Kirara download. You will the Google will offer so many websites to download. So I download from this codecpack.co. So seems like there's no issue. So just once you click, the website will open. This is a website. Just click Kirara 125 zip download. So it will download here. Okay guys, I already have downloaded, so I will open the same one, this one. So just right click and extract. So I received it. This is the extracted Kirara file. So you have Kirara 125 exe. Double click. Click OK. Next, install. Okay guys, so when you install, it will ask Kirara require a set of files called .NET Framework 2.0. So guys, if you don't have installed 2.0 framework, it will ask whether they can download. So if you click yes, sometime it will download itself, sometime no. Most of thing it will not download because I'm not sure, maybe there's an issue with the website downloading. So you have to manually install. So what you do, you have to go to your search. You can type turn turn on Windows features, okay, or else just type features. Yes, turn on Windows feature or features. You will get this one. Just wait. Then you can go here. Search for .NET Framework 3.5, include 2.0 and 3.0. Expand this one. Install this both. Okay. Yeah, only that one you can. Yes, this first two, and click OK. Just wait till the files gets download. Okay guys, let's window update download the file for you. Click this one. Okay guys, it's already installed. Next you have to restart your PC in order to complete this process. Guys, I will go to download folder. This is the file I downloaded, so I will reinstall again. Double click the setup file, press OK, next. So guys, this time it didn't ask about the .NET 2.0. so this is very easy. You don't want to go to online or find for the framework files. Very simply you can go Windows feature option and just check that option which I showed you and visit official Kirara website. I don't want, click finish and double click the icon. You will see Kirara start here. Click this icon, you will see something like this. Just wait few seconds. So this is the application is open. So what you know, if you have any file, you can click and drop here. Okay, the files added. So guys, here you have some extra setting to do. Now this file in FLV format. If you want to change the format you want, you go to setting, output type. You have these many formats. Which format you want MOV format. So which codec you want, you have those codec, MP, EG4 videos, whatever you want. If you go to different format, you have different formats. If you have MP4, you have these formats. Okay, I select MP, EG. And if you go to configuration, it's gray out. You can check this one, use. So here you can change more settings, whatever you want. Okay, I will check out and make sure byte rate you increase minimum 50,000, because depend on your video quality. If you keep very less, your video quality will be very less. Okay, so you have to keep like 100,000 or 50,000. Just try 100,000. If this did not convert, reduce to 50,000. And frame rate, try to keep 120 if you want to get good quality, maximum quality, because your video FLE file may be good quality, but once you converted, the quality will be get low. So to avoid that one, okay, you have to keep maximum. And image size, make sure maximum or customize. You can put customize size. You can enter numbers with what you want, or you can select from here. So we need maximum 1080. And original image size, keep it. So you will get original image size. Okay, otherwise you can customize, or else you need original. You can click it here, then it will come original. And next I have audio. So audio, you have MPEG, MP3. So byte rate, try to increase byte rate, so you will get good byte rate. If you want 128, up to you. You can do different you can try different settings and get so you can try, so you know which settings you prefer. So here you can customize a name. By default, when you output the file, you will get the Kirara name. If you want to put different name, you can mention there. Okay, you have so many video filters, so many functions. You can go and check. Yes, I mean okay, 120 original settings. Okay, so here output path, you can change where you want to output. In my case, I will put desktop. If you want to open more video files, you can click and open. Okay, you can drag and drop so many video file, not only one, multiple file possible. You can change language, so many things. We'll press start to convert the file. So if you see something like this, just started and it's gone, it means you have to go and change your setting. This byte rate you have to reduce. Okay, just reduce and try. Yes to all, the file will override. You have here options. You can shut down your PC, or you can go if this is very short video, that's why if you have long video, you can increase the speed. and this is the video file I got right now converted. The quality is fine. You get here, this is the original file, almost good. When you change the settings you will get good quality. If you keep lower settings you will get very bad. Let's try 150. Okay, yes, you can get here, you can put high, then it will be very quick. So I go 50 byte rate. So you can see here this all are like very bad quality, so it will reduce the video size as well. So as per your, see it's now like 1.2 MB. So as you want you can change the video quality, and here you can have 64 architecture, about preference, use. You can play about with these settings and know what you like. Okay guys, so if you like my video make sure you give it thumbs up. Okay, thank you.